Don't turn away. Here we go. Conor Shannon through the gears and up over the hill. 100-mile-an-hour entry and a big flick into that first corner. Fires it in. Perfect through the first corner. Very fast and out to the outer zone. And this is where he's got to be tight and technical. And he is absolutely perfect from Conor Shannon. And lots of pace. No left foot braking. Tons of pace. Out to the edge of the circuit. Goes to the wall. Touches the wall with the rear end of the car. Phenomenal run again from Conor Shannon. The car is on rails.
In. Smokes the tyres, big angle on initiation. James Dean absolutely flying. He's coming in swinging. He goes very wide in outside zone 4, but keeps it on track, keeps all four wheels on the tarmac as he fires across the track once again. Looks for the wall. James Dean takes the rear light out of the car, looks for the last wall, just shy of it, but he gets the job done. Executives come flying down, smokes outside. Whoa, Tex Shanahan, big angle, smoke up to the wing mirror on that first corner, goes for that big initiation, a big entry into outside zone 4, and Shanahan means business. Big flick, big angle, he's going to go for the wall, takes the spoiler over the wall, and Shanahan gets to that second outer wall and across.